Hello and welcome back. Now today we are visiting my old mate, that international YouTuber, MalcOfLincoln. And today Malc is going to show us how he makes bread using his old Lister D engine, a mill and his brand new bread maker. So let's now join Malc as he's milling the flour using his old Lister D.
That's how you make flour with a Lister.
Very good, that.
See? We've got to, I think we've nearly got enough now. I've got a sieve here.
So you can start making bread then now?
Yeah. So we can, I've actually achieved what I set out to do. It's taken 5 mills and everything else. I've actually ground some flour with a Lister. Now we don't need that much to make a loaf of bread. And I think we've got it. So, right, so look. There.
Right, so we shall go make a loaf of bread then now?
Maybe tomorrow. Right, I've got to make Andy a loaf of bread for him to take home with my bread maker. I want 1, 2, 3 cups. And we, right, 2.5, hang on, skim milk, yeah, 2.5, that's right. Do it in that blackboard, I did it so we could do a video of at school. It's coming bloody useful, because
yeah.
I can't read
Oh,
the book without glasses on, you see, so it's coming really good. That has. Oh. Let's move this along a bit. Give me a bit more room. I ain't got room.
You need a bigger counter.
Yeah, I know. Well, I need to put that out of the way for a minute. In fact, it can go in now. It can stop in, that can. Now we're all right.
So that's your skimmed milk powder, is it?
Yeah. Oh. half, don't I? Yeah. Now, I think that's right. Put 2 in, didn't I? I think that's it. 2. Right. Sugar. 2 1/4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2 1/4. No, more. That's it. Right, 2 1/4 of that. 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. I've got 1/4 teaspoon, but I can measure it in here, because I want to. Right, put that in there. Yeah. From there I'll get that. So, what we have to do is we need some water in first, and the easiest way, it's got to be lukewarm water. What you do, you get 270 millilitres and you put that in for 20 seconds, because it's got to be above 21 degrees C and below, not higher than 36, I think it is, because otherwise the yeast doesn't work or it kills it. And by trial and error I've found out that the best way is to measure it out in this cup like this. So you put the water in first, and if you look at this instructions on there, that's the order that you do it in, you see. So you put water in like that. You've got to oil the pan. Now we want 70. Put it on a level thing. That's 50. Hang on. 50, 60, 70. Yeah, alright, splashed too much maybe, but that'll be alright, I think. The thing is, you need to be very accurate with your measuring of ingredients. So that's in the order it says, right? 270 millilitres of water. right, and it's warm enough because it was warm going out. Next, we want skimmed milk powder, 2.5 tablespoons, which I've measured out in there. So that goes in. And try and get it in the water, not on everything else. And you put that in there, you see. Next, 2.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil, which I'm actually going, oh I can't, can I? I'll fill this up with yeast. I'll put my thumb over that. That's it. That'll be alright. That'll be alright. 2.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. That's one. That's 2.5. This is the messy bit, so I measure everything else out first. That's it. Felt a bit of yeast. I'll have to drop more in it, actually. Right, that's 2.5 of oil. There. Next, sugar. 2.25 tablespoons of sugar in there. So that goes in, like that. Actually that's salt, doesn't matter. That's 1.25 teaspoons of salt. This is the sugar.
That's the sugar.
Yeah.
Well, they look very similar, they do, don't they?
Yeah, it does look a bit similar. I've got, oh, I should have took these glasses off, that's the problem. I put them on just to see that cup, the water in the cup, that's all. Right. So we've got sugar, salt, and then 3 cups of strong bread making flour, which I've measured out in this jug first. So this now goes in. Like that. And you make a little hole in the middle for the yeast, and unfortunately I'll get this out because I'm messing about. I spilt a little bit of it, not that it matters, but this goes, it mustn't touch the liquid.
No.
That's the thing.
Well, it has to go in the middle, in the hole that you've made.
Yeah. It mustn't touch the liquid at the start, that's all. It's fairly easy to do. So we just a little bit more, fill that level. There we are. Right, that goes in that hole in the middle, like that, look. And 1/4 teaspoon is this measure. Here. And that goes in the middle, like that. And these two go in there. With these, everything on here goes in your, I always prepare a bowl of washing up water. So we can put these in there, you see.
And clean it all.
Like that.
Yes.
Do your hands, like that. And to get the oil and everything off them. We've hardly made any mess there, look. And now all we have to do, we're on setting 1. There's lots of menus on here, but you nearly always use 1. And all you have to do is press that, like that, and it comes on. Do you want to come up and look inside when I start it?
Yeah, it mixes it.
Yeah. That's it. All we have to do now is wait 3 hours and take it out, let it cool a bit and eat it.
Fair enough.
Easy. There we are, bread's done. See what we've got. Rest this on here for a minute or two. That'll do. And the paddle gets in there, you see.
So that's it then, that's how to make bread with MalcOfLincoln.
There we are. And you get a nice loaf, look. That's spot on, isn't it?
Brilliant.
Well, that's how to make bread. Thanks to MalcOfLincoln for showing us how it's done, and thank you for stopping by. Until next time, goodbye.